So here's what you can do if you cannot find the App Store on your iPad, and let's get started. So the App Store most definitely should be somewhere, because if you cannot find it on the main page, try scrolling all the way to the right until you get to what's called App Library. This is where all apps can be found, so you can go to the Utilities folder where it should be available, or just click on the search bar where all of the apps will be sorted into a list in alphabetical order, so you can see App Store already shows up right there. And if not, just type that into the search and you should be able to find it right here. Keep in mind that it's still possible that you do not see it, so let me address that. If you still cannot find the App Store, it's likely restricted on your device. What I mean by that is that part of the screen time section of the iPad, there is a thing like the content and privacy restrictions, right? So you can click there, and if you have it enabled, it is possible that the app installation or App Store are simply not allowed right here. And this will basically make the whole App Store icon disappear. So if you want to bring it back, either specifically allow installing apps or turn off the content and privacy restrictions altogether, and the App Store should reappear. Just give it a while, perhaps restart the iPad, but it should most definitely come back. So please let me know below in the comments if you managed to find it, because I think you should, but if not, let me know about that, as I'm kind of curious to know what's really going on. So share your experience below, hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'm gonna catch you later.